What's up and welcome to Guiding Bolt. I'm Jessica and I recently received a new toy in the mail. I received the GoPro Hero 9 Black and I'm pretty excited to unbox this. I've been waiting to share that with you guys. So I currently have been using the GoPro Hero 4, so this will be a significant upgrade for me. I'm pretty excited because there's a lot of new features for the Hero 9 and I've been hearing some great reviews about the product. One thing that is different from the Hero 8 to the Hero 9 is the removable lens, which really seems like a miss for me for a company that makes an action camera. To take away the removable lens seemed really silly to me. I mean, if people are out there doing stuff with their camera, it'd be a shame if they scratched their lens and had to replace the whole unit rather than just the lens. So that is something they fixed for the Hero 9. So the Hero 9, there's tons of features on it. You know, it can shoot in 20 megapixels, it can shoot 5K video at 30 frames per second, 4K video at 60 frames per second. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, no special casing or protective gear needed, voice control, slow motion capabilities, and a whole heap of other features. So this kit here, it comes with the GoPro, a battery, a thumb screw, and that works with the various mounting features and accessories that they have for the GoPro. There's the USB charging cable, and it comes with a nice case. When I ordered this from the GoPro website, they did have a deal going on. So I received both a spare battery and a 64 gigabyte micro SD card. So if they aren't doing that deal when you order your own GoPro, make sure that you do get a micro SD card for your camera. So with that, why don't we crack this baby open and take a look inside? Of course that didn't tear well, right? There we go. So we got a nice black case. It's got hard sides on it. Okay, so it looks like we have a little bit of literature up top here, talking about subscribing to the GoPro. I actually did subscribe to a 1-year membership of their GoPro service because the package deal I got by subscribing, I got a really good discount on the GoPro itself. Let's see, basic instructions here for powering on, inserting the battery and charging. Looks like we got a couple of stickers, and then information on mounting with the thumb screw drive here. And it looks like that one mounts on top of a helmet or a rounded type of surface. And then an instruction, something warning book. I know their information comes in a lot of languages, so a lot less content than the thickness of the book seen. But I have seen a lot of great instructional and tutorial videos out on YouTube, so check those out rather than putting yourself to sleep with fun literature. Okay, so up top there where our information was, there's a little pouch for storing stuff. Here is our GoPro. See if I can get this out of here. It looks like we have protective plastic on the lens and the screen. So this is another newer feature of the GoPro Hero 9. So this is the back of the camera with our full screen here. But then you also have a nice full color screen on the front. So this is great maybe if you're doing vlogging. You can see what's being framed in the shot while you're working. We have our charging cable, and I believe this is a USB-C. Battery, like I said, the deal I got came with an extra battery, which I would highly recommend. It's always nice to have a backup battery. GoPro does sell a docking recharging station too, because normally you'd have to have the battery in your camera while you're charging it. But if you have that separate docking recharging station, that allows you to use your camera while you're still charging batteries. And then this is part of the mounting system. This is a sticker mount, so you can put it on a surface that's slightly curved. They also sell ones that are flat. And then this is called the thumb screw. So this is actually what locks the GoPro into the mounting systems. And they have a whole bunch of different attachments. This looks like the buckle clip version. And so how the GoPro works is that, let's take this plastic off here. There are little tabs here you pop out. And so it's this system here that slides into the grooves. And then you would screw in that thumb drive right there. And some of the other goodies I got for the GoPro, I got a standard mount for attaching it to tripods. I have a quick clip system, and that's used for accessories like the head strap, which can go straight on your head or can sometimes even fit over helmets. I bought the media mod, so it's a little body that the GoPro rests in, and it has additional microphone capabilities, and it has additional inputs for like jacks if you want another external microphone. And I also bought the light mod, so that is just an extra LED light that you can attach to the GoPro using the media mod. So if you're shooting, vlogging, up close stuff, that's another option. But all kinds of goodies for the Go. I'm really excited to power this guy up and start playing around with it. So if you want to see some of those other accessories I've purchased, or you have questions about the GoPro, go ahead and drop those down below in the comments. And until next time, have fun adventuring, capture those moments. We'll see you guys next week.